Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to today's Bitcoin update for Saturday 17th of September. Right, so we're looking at Bitcoin making some little bit of a greens to the upside right now. This is the 15 minutes time frame opened up. We did have a little bit of resistance, went up like this, came down, fall to the resistance, got rejected again, went back down, went up to the resistance, broke the resistance, and probably there could be chances of coming up to $20,389. I don't think it's any significant kind of move to start a proper move back up, because the reason why we probably might be having just these small pushes right now is because of the fact that we do have a bullish divergence. Okay, so if we bring in the RSI right there, you can see lower lows right here and higher lows right there, so that's actually a bullish divergence. But still, that bear flag is still there, it's still right on your face. So even if you go up, you can actually just go back up to maybe again $20,300, get rejected here, and then actually go down to $17,900. Now nowadays they don't actually like to push. Previously when the bear flag were made, like they made this bear flag, what they used to normally do is just push it down to the technical target all of a sudden, but this time they're actually making it go back to the supply zone, like where the flag was, and back test the flag. So maybe something like this, up here, come up here, and then go down. Every situation is going to be different, of course, but today Saturday, my fingers are crossed, and I don't think Saturdays are good days. Number two is that we do have 30 more minutes to close this candlestick, and it seems like we're printing in some bearish candlestick. Who knows, from here you can actually now start to roll to the downside, because you do have that green candle next to you forming that red candle, maybe some sort of a tweezer top here, or it can end up even being a bearish engulfing candle, and then from there start to move up. Now however, when you close that, I do reckon if you try to come up to 20,065 and above, you can still go to 20,300. But this is not something that I like to trade. These are not my trades. If I tell you, if I want to put it that way, these are not some good trades. Now let's dive into the daily, and let's talk about this one, okay? Because you do have this very, very long resistance coming into play right now. So this is your support here, support there as well, some few supports and touches right over there, and broke to the downside, moved up very, very aggressively, came down to back test, and you're failing the back test. What I could say is that you're finding some rejection as well. Okay, so rejection is being made right over here, somewhere there. And if I do bring in the EMAs as well, you're gonna notice how badly this the 10 EMA connect is a very, very big resistance right now. So nothing is proper good right now. Things are really, really fishy at the moment. My view to 17,900 still remains, and I'm pretty sure this month is not gonna be good either way. I'm just on the sideline right now, just watching what the hell is going on in here. I'm not touching anything. It's really hard for me to support Bitcoin right now with with all this thing that Bitcoin is putting out there. And that's pretty much it for this update. A very quick one on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.